how we deal with the core values of the Filipinos. Just to remind us. Number 1, the word kapwa. We treat each other as equal, and that entails love. Second, kabutihang loob, the kindness that we have in our heart. Kaya nga, alam nyo po, impress sa atin ng mga foreigners because napakaano natin, friendly and hospitable. And that entails our care. Not only our love, but our care. And then third, bayanihan, togetherness. We share not only what we have, but we share on what is going on to each other. Kaya ako, tuwan-tuwa ako because here in the Philippines, we can call anyone as if they are our family. Diba? Kahit sino, lumabas kayo ngayon dyan. Manong, Lola, Nay, minsan diba si Lola, excuse me, Father, tita lang. Diba? Mga ganun ba? Diba? Manong, Nang, Tito, Sis, Brad, Utod, diba? Because in our hearts, with our love, we treat each other as family. And as family, we love each other.
Yes, he